Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
For part A, the gravitational field strength at a planet's surface is G equals gm over r squared.
Larger radius, its surface gravity is smaller, so g sub x is less than g sub e. The work done by gravity as the sphere moves from A to B is, where delta h is the vertical drop from A to B, because the same sphere is used and the pendulum is released from the same angular displacement theta, the vertical drop is set by the pendulum geometry and is the same in both situations. Therefore, with the same m and delta h but a smaller g on planet X, work is smaller. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.